40 mummies that date back to as far as 4,500 years are on display at Los Angeles Bowers Museum. It's the world's largest exhibition of real mummies and related artifacts. These mummies were found in a dozen of countries, including the United States, China, South Africa, and the United Kingdom.
They found mummies in China where they were buried in the ground. They weren't embalmed necessarily, but the environment was right, that the body didn't decay necessarily, and it naturally preserved itself. So, it depends upon what the situation. Egypt's hot and dry and arid, and there's less bacteria that can grow if there's no moisture. But you can get into a situation like in China where the body's closed, and then the crypt and the earth and the environments are correct and enough that the bacteria won't proliferate either.
Through modern science and technology, their secrets are now revealed.
The natural preservation. So these bodies weren't meant to actually be preserved like Mummies or the Egyptian mummies. These were just laid because they were deceased. They had a funeral, laid them down, and then they preserved just by chance. And so what's unique about these is now that disease that they had is also preserved, and then we can study it to learn more about it.
The exhibition also provides a window into the lives of ancient people and civilizations.